So guys, today I'm gonna buy some beauty stuff, and I needed something for my locks. I needed some lotions, so I'm gonna take you to this beautiful USA Beauty superstore, which is in front of me, so that we can see what so that is the store where we're going to shop our beauty stuff. So it's called USA Beauty. Let's go in there so that I can find my lotion. Come on with me, guys. Guys, the store is so huge. I don't even know where to start from. My gosh, this store is crazy. It's huge, has plenty. I don't know where to go. I don't even know how to find. All kinds of wigs are in here, guys. My gosh, let me just take you around before I start even shopping. I want you to see this store. It's so huge. You can literally disappear in here unless you know what you're looking for. I love this hair, Urban Soft. I love it. It looks like locks. I think I may wanna maybe sometime put this one. What do you think? I love this. Really nice. So it's called Urban Soft Dread. So I might attach this to my dreadlocks. What do you think, guys? Let me see. It's loud music in here, but I hope you guys they don't. Content creations. I love this one too. Original antibacterial braid. Guys, all your braids are here. Let me take you around. Come on with me, guys. Oh my god, this store actually is located in Arlington, Texas. If you live here, all kinds of wigs are here. Guys, it's a loud music. I don't know if this is gonna work, but hey, let's keep going. I'm trying to run away from music. But guys, you can tell how huge this store is. My gosh, the hair, even the lotion I'm looking for, I'm not even there yet, but I'm just showing you, like, this is a lot. Guys, can you tell this one is 36-inch locks? If you want to look like this lady, it is 36, guys. My gosh, look at it. It's pretty good. Long. They have all kinds, and it's $19.99, guys. It's manageable, so I love this color. It's 46-inch. Wow, guys, but I don't see the price for this. Oh, it's $19.99. Everything here is $19.99. So you can tell if you like the long ones, they're here. All your styles, guys, they're here. Guys, I love this type too. Look at this, is called Passion Twist. If you like that, this is 24-inch. And it's $14.99. Very nice, guys, if you like this kind. Guys, I'm trying not to go in front. As you can tell, they have a TV there and has a loud music, so we can go back and go at the back door. Back door, I can say backside. If you like short ones, guys, they do have short hair. There you go. This is $5.99. Let's go this line here. Jamaican twist. This one is like, if you like a Jamaican twist here, it's $4.99. They do have it. Oh my gosh, they have everything in here. If you like this Cuban twist, they have it here. Really nice, and it's $5.99. My gosh, guys, Cuban twist, it's $5.99. I love it. If you like, this one is what Laudico Jamaican braid. My gosh, they have it here. All of it, all kinds of hair for those ones who love to braid hair. Right here, hey, look at that, guys. If you like, this is $11.99. We want to look like these ladies. This is the hair, shake and go. We have it all here. Again, this store is located in Arlington, Texas. If you live in Arlington, Texas, it's just right here by the mall. So definitely you can come here and enjoy. Let me see if I can find something I'm looking for. Guys, they have all these wigs here. You cannot even, they have human hair. They have pretty much everything in here. Guys, my eyes. Can you see what I see? Everything is in here. Let's go this line. See what they have. My gosh, I love this. The ponytail girl is $14.99. It's right here. If you love the ponytail, let's go this line, guys. I'm hungry. I'm starving, guys. We need to go find food. Look at that. Look at this way. Look at this. This is called nanny locks. My gosh, they have even nanny locks. You can just put it on and look like this lady right here. My gosh, I love it. Look at it. Look at it. I love this. Beautiful. So this one actually, let me see the price. I don't see the price, guys. The price, oh, it's $13.99. No, this one cannot be $13.99. The bottom one is the one. Oh yeah, it's $13.99, guys. This one here, you can get it if you want. This one is called no locks. This one is 2X. You can have them if you like this one. All these ones are locks, guys. I love locks. So yeah, you can have that. Look at this lady right here. You can have that only for $13.99 here. Guys, comment below. Let me see which one you like. Which is your best? So far, look, all these styles. All these are $11.99. This one is called Lover Dress. $11.99. Afro Puff right here. They have it for $10.99. Guys, look at this Afro Puff right here. Cute, huh? For only $10.99. So let's go this way because there's loud music, so I can show you something else before we go to the lotions. Okay, you guys, all of pretty quick. They have it here for $9.99. I love it. So what is this, guys? They have this. What is this? Velvet tear more hair closure. They have it here. It's in a box and it's $16.99, guys. Beautiful. I love it. Look at this Tara velvet right here. So this is how it looks like. It's $16.99. They have the one for $16.99. They have $19.99 and they have $23.99. So it's your choice. Look at this Tara velvet right here. Look at the color. What color is this? Purplish? Human hair. Texture touch. My gosh, and they have all these kind of colors. If this is your favorite, guys, it's right here. It's $29.99. They have the one for $15.99, $18. As you can tell, the price is here. So your choice is yours. Guys, I'm loving this store. Look at that. I love this. This is what? This is called Water Wave Pro Twist 22X. I love it. Look at that. You can style it, and they show you how to style this one, guys. Look at it. Beautiful, beautiful. This is wavy palm twist. My gosh, it's so beautiful. I'm loving all this for only $19.99 or $24, guys. Loud music, so we need to run out of here. My God, I wanted to show you those wigs, but it's so loud. Guys, you can tell those wigs over there really nice. But let's see. Let's run from there because of the loud music. We go to the other side because I still need to find my lotion, which I've not even found, guys. I'm in love with this. $19.99. This is long, like, my gosh. It's like Bora locks. Oopsie, I took it off. Guys, it's Bora locks, and it's a 40-inch twist up, and it's $19.99. Guys, if you want to have locks, Bora locks, but you want to be long, it's right here. This is crazy. This is really amazing. Amazing really. This is 30 twist up. Okay, so they have all kinds of styles here. So I'm loving this store. Actually, this is my first time to come in this store. I've not been in this store because I have some other stores that I go, but now I feel like I'm loving this store, guys. I am loving this store. My gosh, this is crazy, huh? This is crazy. I feel like I need something for my locks. Sometimes my locks, I need this to put on my lock. Let me show you. Guys, I'm gonna buy this because sometimes I feel like I need to hold my locks back, but I need something tiny like this that can help me hold my locks. So I'm getting this one. My gosh, can I get two? I'm gonna get another one because there's plenty. My gosh, guys, this store is something else. A lot of things going on here. Guys, comment below. Let me know what is your favorite. Okay, let me know. They have, guys, mirrors here. They have everything you need for your hair, your skin, the spray bottles. My gosh, everything you need is in here. Guys, let me know what is your favorite. I don't even know what to buy. There's so plenty in here. Guys, comment below what's your lifestyle here. I'm just showing you my lifestyle here. Oh my god, look at the hats. Hey. They have hats here. Guys, I'm locking this hat. What do you think? Bad girl. I'm locking it. Guys, they have lots of hats here. I feel like I need to buy a hat for sure. I'm looking for a hat because sometimes my locks, they need a hat. Guys, let me see if this one is gonna work for me. I feel like sometimes my locks, they need a hat, and I feel like this hat may be perfect for me. I think I like it. I like this hat. Sometimes I need to hold my my locks back, and I need a hat. So I feel like I'm gonna take this one. I love it. Should I take the burgundy one or a black? You guys, which one do you think? I think I like a black. What do you think? It's only $5.99. I think I like the black ones. So I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and take the black one. Okay, let's keep going. There's plenty to see, guys. My gosh, behind me everywhere. Let's keep going. You love earrings and chains, they have them. Lotions. My gosh, look at that purse. Look at that, guys. I love this. Plenty, and it's $44. A little bit pricey, but that's okay, guys. Look at those shits. You know I love shits. I don't know, this one has $44.99. Guys, they're so pricey. I don't know, it's because they have this gold whatever. They're so pricey. My gosh, this is so cool. My gosh, let's just go. Let me turn the camera so you guys can see what I'm saying. Look at this. Happy birthday clowns, birthday girl. My gosh, this store has plenty, guys. I cannot finish. I'm scared the video is gonna be so long because there's so much to see. I don't even know what to show you, guys. There's so many hats. Happy, there's so many hats here. I don't know. I feel like I need to take a plain one, right? I need to take plain ones. Guys, they have all kinds of makeups here. Lip balms. Everything is in here, so I don't know. I love it, but I'm gonna take this one. This one. My gosh, guys, I'm having a ball in this store. It's really huge. Let's go in here. Eyelashes, makeups. Guys, everything is in here. Let's see, makeups if you want a makeup. Everything is in here. I'm loving this store. Yes. Guys, I don't know, I love this. There's so many colors. Sometimes I feel like I need white. Guys, I'm gonna go with this white. Sometimes I need my nails to be white. I don't know if I should take, which one should I take, white or blue? Man, let me see. Maybe I can take a blue because it's $2, guys. I think let's go ahead and take this blue. It's called Smave blue or Caribbean blue. I think let me go ahead and take this Caribbean blue. So my nails are going to be blue because I've not done my nails for a while. So I feel like, guys, I feel like this blue is gonna do justice for me. So let's go take this blue. Let's go, keep going. Eyelash, I'm not a huge fan of the eyelashes, so it looks like extensions, so that's not my thing. So they have all kinds of lip here. Oh my gosh, beautiful. I'm loving this store. So let's go, keep going, guys. And we need the, let's go see the lotions here. Lily liquids for your nails. Everything is in here. You want extensions of your nails, they're right here. Everything, every color is right here. My gosh, look at that, guys. I'm so tired. They have all these oil and lotions, coconut. Guys, I'm looking oil for my locks, so let's see if we can find something for myself. Olive oil. They have all treatment. As you know, guys, I use wild growth, so let me see. So this is on natural flaxseed. I don't know if that's the one I'm looking for, guys. I don't know. So well, we didn't go on the other side, guys, but there's a loud music over there. So let's go and pay. Guys, let's go and pay over there because I'm tired. I need to go eat. They have this. Guys, what do you think? Comment below, let me know what you think about the store. So far I love it, and I'm gonna buy some stuff, guys. Here I'm loving it. I love this store. It's a huge store. Let's go pay. Alright, guys, we're finished paying. Now we can go out. And my gosh, I dropped the thing. Alright, now we finished paying. We can go out and try to find food to eat. But guys, before that, I need to take you one more store because I need to buy a purse. My purse is kind of getting old. I need a small purse, so I'm gonna take you to this store. Probably might be the second video, but I'm gonna be shopping the same day, so don't come with me if you see me wearing the same clothes because it's gonna be the same day. Okay, let's go get our purses.